Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some really good money selling free ebooks on eBay and Amazon. So stick around, you don't want to miss any of these steps. Let's get started here right now. Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. If you haven't done so yet, or you've been here and you haven't done so yet, consider subscribing to the channel. Reach down there below right now while you're thinking about it. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos to the channel, which I do fairly regularly here to bring any kind of ways to make money online and help you bring financial freedom and time freedom into your life with each and every video. Alrighty guys. Like I said, I'm going to show you here how you can make some really good money selling free ebooks on both eBay and Amazon today in this video. So let's get started here right now. We're going to come over here to this website right here. You see it up here in the address bar. It's resell-rights-weekly.com. This is a free PLR with or public label rights ebook site with master resale rights where you can get free ebooks to sell. Now when you come to this site and you can get a free membership, but they will try to sell you on a gold membership here too, which is up to you if you want to purchase their gold membership. You don't have to though. What you're going to do is come to this page and you'll scroll all the way down here and you can click right here at the very bottom where it says join now for free. See that? Click on that, or the page, and you just fill out the information right here and make sure you save your login credentials so that if you need to come back here, save it to a notepad or a text file somewhere on your computer. Alright, and then when you get logged in, they are going to try to, again, they're going to try to sell you on their gold membership, but you don't need to do that. You just scroll to the bottom of that page and click the login button again at the very bottom. Down here it'll say login. Click that and that'll bring you over to this page right here, and this is where you can see this is for the gold members up here, all these things, and then down here is for the free members. And what we want to do is we want to click on the free member downloads, right? Because this whole process is free to do and it's good for anywhere in the world. Okay, now so if we click on the free member downloads, now I've already downloaded one here to my computer for as an example here today, but I'm going to show you how to do that. As you can see, when you click on that, the free members download, they give you, you've got several months here, in fact several years. It goes back through years here that you can click on and get the ebooks that are available to free members. As you can see, there's about 4 or 5 here. Now, I took this one right here as our example today, the power of self-discipline here. You can see it says click here to download. And then when you download it, the nice thing about this, you want to make sure it comes with master resale and giveaway rights as well. So when you download this, it gives you every file or all kinds of marketing materials with each of these ebooks so that you can market them successfully on such as eBay or Amazon that I'm going to show you today. Alright, so now I've already downloaded this particular ebook right here, and you can see that file is right here, the power of self-discipline here. I don't know if you can, maybe I can zoom in. You can see it, the power of self-discipline here. So anyways, you can see that this is the ebook right here, this training guide here, and you can see it comes with a cheat sheet, mind map, resource report, a sales letter, and thank you page, landing pages. You got legal pages, graphics, articles, banners, promotional email swipes, and high quality e-covers, and social media images pack, and free marketing tools, PDF file, and a license for it for your master resale rights. So you have everything you need in the package that you download from Resell Rights Weekly to market this product. Okay, each of the ebooks you download have all this information here. So if we clicked on the free training guide, it brings over and it should load up in your PDF reader if you've got Adobe Acrobat or any kind of a PDF ebook file reader. it'll load up. And you can see here that this is the ebook right here. It's a really good ebook, this one is, and it's got about 40 pages here in this ebook, roughly about 40 pages here. So it's a pretty good ebook, even complete with pictures and everything. So now, once you get the ebook downloaded and onto your computer, then what you're going to do is come over to eBay. This is where you're going to market it at. Excuse me. On eBay, you can create a free seller account. You can click it to sign up or register on eBay, create a seller's account, and you can see, as I've already typed in here, ebooks up here in the eBay search engine here, and it brought up all these books. You see these people are selling the same type of ebooks that I just showed you to download for free. They're selling them for 99 cents a pop. Look here, this person sold 496 of this book right here for 99 cents. So what's that? Almost $500 right there. And as we go down, you can see each of these are being sold for 99 cents a piece. They're just downloadable ebooks, and there's no reason why you can't do the same. Create your seller account on eBay, come over and set up your account, and the way you do that, it's a good idea to click on one, just any one you want, and follow the format of how they've made their listing. All right, as you can see how they've set up their listing here. And you can come down a little farther, you can see how they've set up their listing with some of the marketing materials that came with the ebooks that you download. And you just sort of follow the same thing. Now it's a good idea too, as you see right here, this person is offering free bonuses, free bonus ebooks to go along with that too. It's always a good idea to offer some free ebooks too as a bonus, which will entice people more to click on your link or your listing on eBay, right? And then you set up your payment and shipping, which is basically just downloading. It's a downloadable file, and that's basically it. And then you can see people will leave reviews for you, and the higher your reviews go up, the better you are, the more chances of people are going to buy your ebook. Now the thing is here, what I want you to remember is that this is a numbers game. All right, guys? The more ebooks you post or list on eBay, the more opportunity, of course, you have to make more money, right? It's all, you guys hear me say this in my videos, it's all, marketing is about a numbers game. The more you post, the more opportunity. It's like going fishing, for example. If you go fishing and you've got one fishing pole, but you see another guy, he's got 3 or 5 fishing poles, who has the more opportunity to catch a fish? It's the guy that's got the 5 poles thrown out there in the water, with 5 baits out there, 5 lines in the water versus your one. All right, so it's the same thing here. The more you post, the more you make. All right, now, so that's how you can do it on eBay. All right, now let's come over here to Amazon. Amazon is no different. You can sign up for a free account on Amazon. You just come up here, when you come to Amazon.com, you come up here at the right where it says sign in for accounts and lists, and you see right down here underneath the sign in button, a new customer. You start here. If you click on that, it brings you over here, and you can create your own account for free on Amazon. And not only do you have your own account, but you also get an affiliate link with this account. So you can become what's called an Amazon associate. So you'll give you the right to sell things on eBay or market eBay's products as well. So, but we're not marketing eBay's products, we're marketing our ebooks today on eBay, right? I'm sorry, not eBay, but Amazon. We're not marketing Amazon products, let me correct myself. We're marketing our ebooks on Amazon. Okay. Alright, so same thing here, set up your free account, get your affiliate link, and you can, you see I've typed in Kindle books here up in the search engine already. And so you can see that these are just ebooks that are downloadable to Kindle, and you can, if you want, create an audio book of it too. And in some cases, these can even have hardcovers if you want to create a hardcover or something like that, but that's probably a little more expensive to do, I would imagine, unless it comes with a hardcover book that you can have shipped to you or something like that. But the main thing is these are downloadable ebooks, and you can see that people are selling these. This person's got 4,546 reviews and selling this ebook for $15. So you just list your ebook on Amazon under the Kindle category, and you can also see that you can make a lot of money on these ebooks that you post on Amazon for free. Okay? Now, that's what I wanted to show you guys, how to make money with free ebooks and stuff. And here, by the way, here's another site that you can come to get even more free ebooks. It's called idplr.com. You see it right there. IDPLR, same thing in the address bar right up here. So come over to this site right here. As you see, there's free products right here. And you can see free ebooks, free software, videos, audio, graphics, templates, all kinds of things here for free. If you click on like free ebooks, and it should bring you over to this page here, and you can see there's all kinds of free downloadable ebooks here that you can use to market on both eBay and Amazon as well. Alrighty? Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. I'm going to show you how you can make quite a lot of money selling free ebooks or PLR products on both eBay and Amazon. So if you got the value out of this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe bell down there, or subscribe button, and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, and check out my #1 recommended business down there at the top of the description, and get my free video training that will show you how to make up to $1,000 per month, and check out my #1 recommended business there as well. Okay? Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.